I have been investing in mutual funds and stocks for the past 30 years, and over the years I've bought and sold bonds and treasuries and have invested in real estate, but I have never been interested in owning cryptocurrencies until now. I'm still not all that interested in cryptocurrencies as an investment, but I have been wanting to buy some Ethereum because I wanted to dabble in creating and selling NFTs. And I would need to pay fees required for NFT transactions, which are also known as gas fees with Ethereum currency. By the way, if you don't know what NFTs are, please check out my video providing a very simple explanation of it. I'll put a link to it in the description box below. So I've been meaning to buy some Ethereum when one Ether cost about $2,000, but I never got around to it. And now that the price of Ethereum has come down by about 50%, I decided to take my first step into this unfamiliar territory of buying cryptocurrency. So I did some quick research on Google on cryptocurrency exchanges. And I saw over and over again that Coinbase.com is a good crypto exchange for beginners. In this video, I'm going to take you with me on my exploration of the Coinbase.com site and my experience in buying cryptocurrency as a beginner. I'm in the Coinbase website, and here is the URL. I'm in the home page, which shows the total balance of all your assets. The homepage also contains some articles on topics related to cryptocurrency that you might be interested in reading, and the current prices of different cryptocurrencies in the panel on the right side. You can buy crypto from the homepage by clicking on the blue Buy Sell button at the top of the page. You see Bitcoin listed, but don't worry, you don't have to buy Bitcoin. Clicking it will enable you to see a list of different cryptos to choose from. Or you can click on the blue hyperlinked word buy elsewhere on the page. And that will cause the same small window to pop up where you can then select whatever type of crypto you want to buy. Ethereum is pre-selected here because I clicked on the buy associated with Ethereum. I'm going back to the previous window and then select the pay with to indicate how you want to pay for the purchase. You can see here that the window is pre-populated with Capital One. That's because I've already linked my Capital One bank account to my Coinbase account, and I'll show you how to do that shortly. You can pay using funds in your linked bank account, or by using cash in your Coinbase account, or by wire transfer. When you pay for your crypto purchase through your bank account, you can only buy $35,000 worth max, and you can't sell or trade that cryptocurrency right away. That's because the exchange needs to make sure that you actually have the funds in your bank account. When you use cash, there's no limit. So if you have $50,000 of cash in your Coinbase account, for example, then you can buy $50,000 worth of crypto. The only limit would be how much cash you actually have in your Coinbase account. I would not do a wire transfer because I don't want to pay any bank fees to wire funds. To link a bank account, click on the button at the bottom that says Add a Payment Method. When you click on bank account, you'll be informed that Coinbase uses Plaid to connect your bank account. Click on the Continue button. Then click on one of the bank accounts listed. This will allow you to authenticate directly with your bank, which was really simple. Or you can manually enter the bank account information such as the name on your account number, and your bank's routing number if your bank's not listed. That's also very simple to do. When you go to the asset page, which is represented by this little pie icon, which I guess is meant to represent which piece of your pie is made up by what crypto, you can view and keep track of all the crypto you've bought and own. It's where you would go to see the details of all the individual assets you own in your Coinbase account. I have $1,100 in cash. By the way, I transferred cash into my Coinbase account thinking that I needed to have cash to make purchases. I didn't realize that you can purchase directly from a linked bank account so that you actually don't need to have any cash in the Coinbase account. About $1,000 worth of Ethereum and $5 worth of Bitcoin. When you click on the specific asset, it'll show you the market stats on it. And you can buy some more of it or sell it on this page. You can view your recent transactions by going to the trade page, whose icon is comprised of vertical lines that look like a performance graph. In the lower right corner of the page is a box labeled Recent Transactions. I just bought some Ethereum, and when you click on that transaction, it will bring up a window with details of the transaction, including how much I paid, what payment method was used, when the purchase was made, and what the Coinbase fee was. I paid over $14.68 to buy about $1,000 worth of Ethereum. I'm not sure if I would have been charged the same fee if I had used the cash in my Coinbase account. I'm going to experiment with the payment method in the future to see if that affects the amount of fees you have to pay. If there's no difference, then I'm not going to keep any cash in my Coinbase account. Now, when you're in the assets page, you'll see this intriguing box that says Earn Interest. When you click on it, you can see at the bottom of the page different ways you can earn interest on crypto you might own. And since I own Ethereum now, I'm going to check out how I could earn 3.67% on Ethereum. In addition, I'll get a one-time bonus of $50 worth of Ethereum for staking at least $500 worth of Ethereum. So let's see what's involved. It says Ethereum 2.0 is an upcoming set of upgrades to Ethereum that's intended to make it significantly faster, less expensive, and more scalable. As part of the upgrade, participants may stake Ethereum tokens to help secure the network. In exchange for staking, participants then receive rewards on their staked Ethereum. Staked Ethereum can't be unstaked until Ethereum 2.0 fully launches, which most experts estimate will happen between 2022 and 2024. Please note, the price chart and market stats for Ethereum 2 are simply a copy of the Ethereum price chart and market stats. Coinbase plans to support Ethereum staking throughout the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. Eligible customers can stake their Ethereum on Coinbase and receive up to 5% APR in rewards. This rate is subject to change depending on the network. While staked Ethereum and rewards are locked in the network during the upgrade, Coinbase plans to provide a way to trade staked Ethereum for other assets in the future. Okay, the way I've simplified my understanding of the risks involved is that it's analogous to lending money. I've essentially lent my Ethereum to be used for upgrading to Ethereum 2.0, which involves coordinating the Ethereum network into the beacon chain to make the network better. During this time, I can't sell or trade my staked Ethereum because it's locked away, but I'll be earning 3.67% interest. And it seems that I won't have access to it until sometime between 2022 and 2024. But another downside and the risk to staking your Ethereum is that just as when you lend money to someone, there's the risk that you might not get any of your money back if that person defaults on the loan, there's a risk that you might end up losing the Ethereum that you've staked if something goes wrong in this upgrade process. I'm okay with the risks since I'm only staking $500. So I'm going to stake some Ethereum right now. And what ended up happening is that my staked Ethereum got converted to Ethereum 2.0. Now this transaction isn't showing up in my assets page yet. I've noticed that it takes a couple of hours for transactions to show up in the assets page, so I'll go back to that page later to show you. So it's been a couple of days, and Ethereum 2.0 is now appearing as one of my assets. Now you see that I have some Bitcoin in my assets. I didn't buy any. I got $5 worth of Bitcoin as a bonus for verifying my identity. All that was required was for me to upload the front and back photos of my driver's license, and that was very easy to do by following the prompts and instructions that appear when you click to verify your identity. Be sure to look for that offer after you log into Coinbase.com and take advantage of it. So what do you think about the Coinbase exchange? Do you think it's easy to use? If you're interested in buying some crypto through Coinbase.com, you can use the link in the description box below to get $10 in free Bitcoin when you spend at least $100 to buy cryptocurrency. I didn't join through any kind of link like this. I went directly to the Coinbase website after a Google search, so I totally missed out on getting free $10 in Bitcoin, and I'm not too happy about that. While the transactions box in the trade page shows you the purchases and trade transactions, they don't show the bonus cryptos you've received. In order to track those, you need to go back to the assets page and click on the particular asset. So by clicking on Bitcoin and then the wallet tab, I can see that Bitcoin got put into my wallet on the day that I verified my identity. By clicking on Ethereum and then the wallet tab, I not only see the transactions, but also my bonus $50 worth of Ethereum that I got for staking $500 of it. But it took a few days for the bonus to get processed and put into my account because I received it on the 28th, even though I staked my Ethereum on the 24th. But I did get my bonus. Anyway, this is the end of my Coinbase.com tutorial, and I hope you found this video helpful.